Sunday morning, I'm about to do my meal prep. I usually keep my meal prep simple but yet effective. I have an odd way of meal prepping. Like, I could eat probably the same thing for like a week, for maybe 2-3 weeks in a row before I switch it up to something else. But anyway, I'm gonna have y'all with me and show y'all how I get down in the kitchen. Let's go. I got chicken and more chicken. Chicken legs because the chicken breasts and even the thighs, they don't went up in the price, you know what I'm saying? Your boy ain't got it like this, so we make do with what we have. And the seasoning that I'm using particularly is Alamo Zest. You know, it's commercial grade, but yeah, you know, just throw a little on there, even coat, and then I'm gonna flip them. I'm gonna throw them bad boys in the oven. I usually do an air fryer, but this week we gonna bake it up, and then I'm doing something special with that. I'll show y'all in a few minutes. Just throw these bad boys in here like so. About an hour and change or something, you know. Check in time too, make sure it's like 165, 170. And yeah, we come back to it. Right here is what they call it the egg roll ball. So all I'm gonna do, throw some curry, a little bit of ginger, and then I add my own little twist on it, you know, the zestful Alamo. I gotta re-up on it, the liquid aminos. Yeah, so it's right here, quick and easy. You can make it low carb, or you can have your carbs in it. See, I got some jasmine rice over here. Kind of burnt it, did a little bit of butter, put a little bit of butter, keep it sticking, let it burn it a little bit, but you know, it ain't no burn. Up. There we go. And yeah, we'll come back to you, fill you in on the progress. Super quick. Also made my breakfast too, so you know, got these eggs. Beside the chicken. We'll prep my breakfast as well. See, we got some eggs right here. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. It's gonna be something special with that too. I usually make those egg muffins, but I decided to try something new. You know, so we're gonna leave these in here for a little bit, and we'll come back to it and check on the progress. The ingredient for the egg roll bowl right here. Classic coleslaw. Just toss it on in there. They say it's quick and easy, man. You can do it with or without rice. You know what I'm saying? It's good either way to me. Put your own little spin on it. Add some bean sprouts to this thing. Like I say, you just mix it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but yeah, just mix it all in. And pretty much that's it. You know, let the veggies tender up a little bit, and she done. The result should look something like this. Like I say, quick, simple, easy, and effective. Alright, now the chicken is done. Sides. Me, I like broccoli and cheese. I'm saying quick, easy. That's it. So all said and done, you should end up with something like this. Meal prep, baby. situation. Except we're using chicken patties. So, you know, I usually do breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my meal prep. Saves you some money, and also, you know, you keep it healthy. Shout out to the avocado, right? Meal prep is done, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I take all this to work. Just because you switch to healthy eating don't mean that it shouldn't taste good. So, you know, I appreciate y'all for riding with me on this Sunday. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.